Craft has long been a personal documents application and it's been doing really well over the last couple of months. Since it's got its $8 million investment, Craft has been adding features at a rate of knots, and more recently they've introduced better ways to manage your tasks, and in today's video I wanted to share the tasks update and a little bit more about how it works with the daily note. So today's video is sponsored by Sanebox. You can check out a bit more about them later in the video. So Craft has introduced a new daily notes and task update, and the new update revolves around the ability to manage your tasks better. Now inside of a daily note, as we have in front of us, you can create new tasks just using the to-do / command, and as you can see, the tasks begin to appear. Now, previously you would be able to see how many tasks have been completed. You can more easily manage the uncompleted tasks of your day. So for example, how to do that is go into the top right hand corner and press this circle. You'll see that it focuses in on the uncompleted tasks on your list. In this case, I have 3. You can move them to today, you can move them to tomorrow, or you can actually complete them or cancel them as a bulk. Now this is really helpful for being able to, be able to keep track of tasks inside of a daily note. Daily notes have become incredibly popular inside of the likes of Craft for managing not only tasks but notes and calendar events as well by creating meetings from them. So this new ability does allow you to cancel them, which is really helpful, and being able to move them to the next day does make it much more easier to manage when it comes to making sure you're completing some of the items. They also introduced this new focus mode, which has been available for a couple of weeks now, but they just continue to do a much better job of coordinating updates and making them much more suitable for people managing their productivity. Now this is really helpful, and a minor update that they added as well is the ability to move them to a date in the future. So for example, let's say this is a task, test 3, I can move them to a specific date, but I can also move any blocks that I create as well. As well as a few other community updates, this update has really helped a lot of Craft users just to refine the way they're managing their tasks in the platform. So if this is something that you find useful, then you can check out the link in the description. But for now, a big thanks to Sanebox for sponsoring this video, and here's a little bit more about them over the next 30 seconds. Today's video is sponsored by Sanebox. It's great to have them back, and if you're looking to get that inbox all tidied and cleared, it is a great solution that's out there. So they've got 3 features that are pretty powerful and many more. Sane Later for helping you keep the important emails first, Black Hole for keeping those awful emails out of the way, and Sane Reminders for reminding you at the right time of certain emails. And the tool is really powerful and works with all clients and devices. It also gets some great shout outs there in the productivity community for keeping those emails away from your inbox and saving on users an average 3 to 4 hours a week. You can check out the discount below. A big thanks to Sanebox for sponsoring today's feature.